Hi, I'm Robert with A1 Carpet Man. I'm going to show you how you use a hand trimmer against the wall. This is a hand trimmer. You put it down in between the carpet and the baseboard. And it cuts the carpet right perfect. And you can sit there and you can tuck it in. Okay, so you get that thing trimmed out like that. I take a hook knife and tuck it in. Then you can go to the other side. Take your hook knife and tuck it in. Then you can come to the end, so you pull the piece back, and you cut it off straight. A little bit. And that's how you finish off your ends, your corners.